Hello guys, welcome back to TGA Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to make $200 in free Bitcoin every hour. So if this interests you, watch this video to the very end because I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to do it. Before we get started, I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over $30 to my subscriber. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and click on the red or white subscribe button to subscribe. Click on it and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another interesting video on this channel. Click on the like button and come to the comment section and type how to get free BTC, all tasks done. When I see your comment, I'm going to send you a unique link that is going to provide you with the bonuses I've promised in this video. Without further ado, let's dive right into this video. I'm going to be dropping the link to the website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here to this page. So all you have to do now is to enter your email address and password. When you do that, you click on this captcha that is below here. Click on it to mark green. Once it marks green, then you click on sign up. So now all you have to do is to check your inbox for the message they are going to send to you in order for you to confirm your account or to verify your account. So what you'll be doing now is to go back to your email. Let's go back to our email. A particular email address we used in signing up on the website. Click on the email you received. So you scroll down, you click on this link that is inside this email. Once you click on it, it's going to open up in your browser. Alright, so it has loaded up. So you click on this green right up, guys, on the right hand corner of the screen. You click on it for it to verify. Okay, the account has been confirmed. The account has been confirmed. So what we'll be doing now is to go back to the website and log into the website. Click on login, then you enter your login details. Click on login. Okay, we have been successfully logged into the page. So this is the interface of the website. Let's check out the details below. Scroll down. So this one now is called lucky number. So once you spin and get a lucky number, you'll be getting some amount of BTC. So the first one, when your lucky number falls between 0 to 9885, you'll be getting 0.000002 BTC. If it falls between 9886 to 9885, you'll be getting this amount of BTC. So that's how it goes from the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, then till it gets to 1000. So if you want to play it, you allow this captcha to be green, to tick green, which is success. Then you click on roll and spinning. So our lucky number is 04702. Then this is the amount of BTC that we got on this green box. So you can do it over and over again. Refresh the page, then you wait for the next 1 hour to roll again. So in the next 1 hour, you can still come and roll again and get another lucky number. Then you'll be given the percentage, or should I say the Bitcoin that is attached to it, to be added to your account above. And you can also win jackpot from this website when you participate in it. You can see the jackpot here, it's counting. You can win jackpot when you participate in it, then it will be added to your balance as well. So this is a step-by-step process on how you can be able to make $200 every hour from this website I've shown to you. And don't forget to give this video a like, comment what you think about this video, and share this video to your loved ones on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. Stay safe and God bless.